Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paddock Lake, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturdivant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Eagle Lake, Powers Lake, Kell Lake, Caledonia, Salem, Bristol, Elmwood Park and North Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.